Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to lesson 2 of our Arabic alphabet series. And today we're learning the letter Ba. Ba, the second letter in the Arabic alphabet. This is Ba. It's written with a curve similar to the shape of a bowl with a dot beneath it, like this. And again, like this. And again, like this. And the fact that it's in the shape of a bowl makes it befitting because the ba makes a sound similar to the English letter B. In Arabic, the ba represents the sound b, 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 similar to the B in the English word boat, boat, or the word bowl, bowl. Now let's see the different forms of the letter ba when written in a word. You can download the Arabic alphabet chart as well as these worksheets to follow along with me in practice for free using the link below. So here we are with ba in its base form, right, which we just took a look at. Again, similar to a bowl, right, with a dot below, okay? So we see here, we just draw this little curve, right? And notice we put this dot beneath the line here. And again, draw this little curve and place the dot beneath. And again, draw this little curve and place a dot beneath. At the beginning of a word, it looks like this, right? Notice this portion that would complete the bowl on the left side of the ba is cut off. And this is because the ba is going to need to hold on to the tail of another letter from the left side, right? So when the ba is placed at the beginning of a word, we only draw half the bowl, right? But the dot needs to be placed beneath it, right? This is the sign of the ba, okay? And again, draw half this bowl with the dot beneath, and again, draw half this bowl with a dot beneath. So this is the form of the letter ba when it's placed at the beginning of a word. In the middle of a word, it looks like this, right? And the ba in its medial form connects from both the right side and the left side. And for this reason, we need to draw a little tail from the right side so that the letter before it has something to connect to. And then we draw half the bowl again so that the letter after it also has a place to connect to, okay? And again, we can't forget this dot beneath because this is the sign of the ba. And again, we draw this little tail from the right side, half the bowl and the dot beneath. And again, we draw this little tail from the right side, half the bowl and a dot beneath. So this is the ba in its medial form. And at the end of a word, the ba looks like this, okay? So of course, at the end of a word, there is no letter that it's required to connect to after it. It's only going to be connecting from the right side, right? We draw this little tail from the right side so that the letter before it has something to connect to, and we complete the bowl, right? And put the dot beneath, right? This is the sign of the ba. Again, we draw this little tail from the right side, complete the bowl, dot beneath. Take a look at this word, kitab. Kitab, which means a book. A book. Kitab. We see the ba at the end of this word here. And notice it's in its isolated form, right? And this is because the letter before it is the alif. And alif only connects to other letters from its right side. And for this reason, this is an instance where we'll find the ba at the end of a word in its isolated form. Right? Let's take a look at a very common word that you've probably heard before. Bab, bab, a door, right? A door. And notice that this word contains two letters that we're familiar with, the ba and the alif, right? So let's write this out here. And I encourage you to practice this with me. So if you remember, the ba, when placed at the beginning of a word, is drawn like a half bowl, right? With a dot beneath. And the alif, in its medial form, connects to letters from the right side, but not from the left side, ever, right? And also notice here that we're writing this Arabic script from right to left, right? From right to left, okay? This is how Arabic script is written. So again, the alif here, we draw this little tail. Doesn't need to be too exaggerated, and up. And again, just like we saw in the word kitab, because there is nothing for the ba to hold on to here, then we draw it in its isolated form, right? A full bowl, okay? With a dot beneath, bab, bab. Let's write that one more time. Half bowl for the ba with a dot beneath, short tail for the alif and up, and a bowl, okay, at the end for the ba with a dot beneath, bab. Let's do that one more time. So we have the half bowl with a dot beneath for the ba, short tail, not too exaggerated, and up for the alif. And again, it only connects from the right side, never on the left side. So we're going to draw this ba again, which is in its isolated form, a complete bowl with a dot beneath, right? Bab. Now you know 2 letters of the Arabic alphabet. You know how to write them in all of their different forms. And you've also added a new word to your vocabulary that you now know how to write, the word bab, right? Some very important key points to remember. The ba in its beginning form, in its initial form, connects from the left side. But in its final form, it only connects from the right side. And in its medial form, right, when it's in the middle of 2 letters, it connects from both sides. And you don't want to forget placing that dot beneath the letter ba. Don't forget to practice writing the ba in all of its forms, and also try to recognize it in the Quran and other Arabic texts. Join me in the next lesson for the letter ta.